Are you looking for beautiful flowers that grow fast and fill your garden in no time? Perennials are the perfect choice. These plants come back year after year, requiring minimal effort, while giving you a stunning display of colors. In this video, we'll explore 8 fast-growing perennial flowers that will quickly transform your garden into a lush paradise. Daylilies are one of the easiest perennials to grow, and they spread rapidly through their underground roots. These flowers come in a variety of colors, from bright yellow and orange to deep red and purple. They thrive in different soil conditions and can handle full sun or partial shade, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Not only do daylilies grow fast, but they also produce multiple blooms throughout the season. Each individual flower lasts only a day, but new buds continue to open, providing continuous color. Their resilience makes them a favorite among gardeners looking for low-maintenance yet eye-catching plants. With minimal care, daylilies will multiply year after year, forming dense clumps that quickly fill garden beds. You can even divide them every few years to create more plants for free. If you want a vibrant and fast-spreading perennial, daylilies are a must-have. Coreopsis, also known as tick seed, is a cheerful perennial that bursts with bright yellow or pink flowers. These plants grow quickly, forming bushy clumps that spread outward. Their delicate, daisy-like blooms attract butterflies and bees, making them a great choice for pollinator-friendly gardens. One of the best things about Coreopsis is its drought tolerance. Once established, it requires very little water and thrives even in poor soil conditions. This makes it an excellent option for low-maintenance gardeners or those who live in dry climates. As the season progresses, Coreopsis continues to bloom profusely, providing months of color. If you trim the spent flowers, the plant will produce even more blooms. With its fast growth rate and long flowering season, Coreopsis is a perfect choice for filling up empty spaces in your garden. Black-eyed Susans are a staple in many gardens thanks to their bright yellow petals and dark centers. These hardy perennials grow quickly and can easily spread throughout your flower beds. They thrive in full sun and can tolerate a wide range of soil conditions. Besides their stunning appearance, black-eyed Susans are also highly attractive to pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and even birds love visiting these flowers, making them a great addition to a wildlife-friendly garden. Their ability to self-seed means they'll keep coming back year after year. As the season progresses, these flowers create a vibrant sea of gold in your garden. Whether planted in mass groupings or mixed with other flowers, black-eyed Susans are sure to bring energy and warmth to any landscape. Shasta daisies are classic garden perennials known for their bright white petals and sunny yellow centers. These plants grow rapidly and spread through underground rhizomes, forming lush, dense clumps over time. Their ability to adapt to different conditions makes them an excellent choice for any garden. One of the best things about Shasta daisies is their long blooming season. They start flowering in early summer and continue into the fall, providing months of beauty. Deadheading spent blooms will encourage even more flowers to appear. These cheerful flowers look stunning when planted in groups or along garden borders. They also make excellent cut flowers, allowing you to bring a bit of your garden indoors. If you want a fast-growing, timeless perennial, Shasta daisies are a great option. Catmint is a fantastic fast-growing perennial that produces lovely lavender blue flowers on long stems. Its soft gray-green foliage adds a charming contrast to garden beds, making it a favorite among landscapers. This plant spreads rapidly and can fill large areas within just a few seasons. One of the biggest advantages of catmint is its resistance to pests and deer. While its fragrant leaves may attract cats, they also deter unwanted insects. It's also a magnet for pollinators, drawing in bees and butterflies throughout the blooming season. Catmint thrives in dry, well-draining soil and prefers full sun, making it an excellent option for drought-prone areas. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance perennial that quickly establishes itself, catmint is a perfect choice. Bee balm is a fast-spreading perennial that produces vibrant red, pink, or purple flowers. These showy blooms are highly attractive to hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, making it a must-have for pollinator gardens. This plant grows aggressively and can quickly take over a flower bed if not kept in check. However, its stunning flowers and fragrant foliage make it worth the effort. Bee balm thrives in moist soil and full sun, but can also tolerate some shade. To keep bee balm healthy and prevent overcrowding, you can divide it every few years. With its rapid growth, bright colors, and wildlife appeal, bee balm is an excellent addition to any fast-growing perennial garden. Yarrow is a hardy perennial known for its fern-like foliage and clusters of tiny flowers in shades of white, yellow, pink, or red. This plant spreads quickly through underground rhizomes and can rapidly fill empty spaces in your garden. One of yarrow's greatest strengths is its drought tolerance. Once established, it needs very little water and thrives in hot, dry conditions. It's also highly resistant to pests and diseases, making it an easy care plant for beginners. Yarrow's flowers attract a wide range of pollinators, including butterflies and bees. Whether planted as a ground cover or in a wildflower meadow, yarrow adds beauty and resilience to any garden. Coneflowers are a favorite among gardeners for their stunning daisy-like blooms and incredible toughness. These perennials grow quickly and spread easily, creating dense patches of color throughout your garden. Not only are coneflowers beautiful, but they are also highly beneficial for wildlife. Bees and butterflies flock to their nectar-rich flowers, while birds enjoy their seed heads in the fall and winter. Their ability to self-seed ensures they keep coming back stronger each year. Coneflowers thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, making them a great low-maintenance option. Whether planted in borders, wildflower gardens, or mixed beds, they will provide lasting beauty with minimal effort. And there you have it, 8 fast-growing perennials that will quickly fill your garden with vibrant colors and lush greenery. These flowers not only grow rapidly, but also return year after year, making them a smart investment for any gardener. Which of these perennials is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.